Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix that you have no audio within Roblox. So basically what you need to do is you need to go to the settings of your game. So tap on this Roblox icon in the left upper corner of your screen and then go to settings. So you see people, but you need to go to settings. So here you see volume, and as you see it's all the way to the top. Like when you make this, when you turn this volume higher, you will hear sound. So if you do not hear sound, you maybe need to check the output device. So as you see, this is those are the the speakers of my my laptop, but you maybe need to change that. So basically that's how you can fix it. Otherwise, just go to your device settings. So go to the settings of your of your MacBook or of your laptop or PC, and then search for audio, and then check if it's enabled, if the audio on your PC or MacBook or etc. is enabled. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.